Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another HelloFresh box, so let's check it out and see what's inside. Here we go, we have the recipe cards on top. Some information about their holiday hosting box. And then once again, this is how it arrives. We have the first meal kit, the second meal kit. At the very bottom, we have the meat packed with some ice packs. This week, we have 3 packs of chicken cutlets and 2 packs of cast iron seared chicken breast. Oh, and I've had these before. These are actually already cooked. These are fully cooked, and I've had them. They're actually really good, so I need to check out and see which recipe these go with. All right, the first recipe is easy being cheesy chicken quesadillas. And here is the meal kit. We have tortillas, Monterey Jack cheese, pepper jack cheese, more tortillas, scallions, red pepper crema, 4 packs of that. And then here at the bottom we have some hot sauce and some Southwest spice blend. So this is the one we're going to use the fully cooked chicken breast for, and we're just gonna reheat them and make some quesadillas. So the prep time is only 5 minutes and the cook time is 15. So this is a great, quick and easy recipe, and I'm gonna try this one tonight. This is the chicken for the quesadillas. It arrives fully cooked, so all I had to do was cut it into strips, and then I put it into the pan with some oil so that I could reheat this. And then I also added a few ingredients to it. The first thing I added the scallions. I added some salt and pepper, and I also added the Southwest spice blend, and I cooked all of that together for about 3 minutes. Next, I put the quesadillas together. I started with the layer of cheese, added the chicken, and then another layer of cheese on top of that. And then I cooked it in the pan until the cheese was melted and each side was brown. And here are the final quesadillas. They were delicious and they looked great. I even think they kind of look like the photo this time. Not exactly, but I'm getting closer. But these were delicious, and the only problem I have with this is it said it only took 15 minutes, but we had to cook each quesadilla separately in the pan, so that did take a little bit longer, but they did taste great. The next recipe is hot honey chicken with barbecue roasted potatoes and buttery broccoli. Let's check out the meal kit. We have broccoli, panko, hot honey, sour cream, sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning, and at the bottom of the bag we have a bunch of potatoes. So this one is going in the oven, and the prep time is 10 minutes and the cook time is 35. First of all, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I added some olive oil, the barbecue seasoning, and salt and pepper in the panko. And then I mixed all of that together, and that was going to be the topping for the chicken. First of all, I topped each piece of chicken with some sour cream. Next, I added the panko topping just to the top of the chicken, and I baked that for about 18 minutes. And meanwhile, I had made the potatoes and steamed the broccoli in the microwave. And this is my final plate. It looks as good as the picture, and this was delicious. The hot honey really gave it a kick. I loved it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.